Today we're going to discuss how to build a barcode reader SDK in .NET. Hello everybody. As I said, today we're going to be learning how to build a complete barcode reader SDK in .NET using the IronBarcode library. We'll create a RESTful API with Swagger documentation for barcode reading and generation. So let's jump into it. First, let me show you the NuGet package. I've already installed the IronBarcode package for barcode operations, Microsoft OpenAI, and Swashbuckle for Swagger API documentation in this ASP.NET Core Web API project. So let's start with our models folder. Here's the barcode generation request class. It has properties for data, which holds the barcode content, format for the barcode encoding type, width and height for dimensions, and foreground color for customization. All properties except data are nullable for flexibility. Moving to the services folder, here's our barcode scanner class. At the top, we have a concurrent dictionary for caching barcode reader options for performance. In the static constructor, we set the IronBarcode license key. This ensures that the license is initialized once when the class is first loaded. The readBarcode from image method reads barcodes from file paths. It takes an image path and an optional reading speed parameter. We get cached options, call barcodereader.read with the path and options, and return the first barcode text if found. Error handling is wrapped in a try-catch block. The readBarcode from stream async method handles stream inputs like file uploads. We copy the input stream to a memory stream, convert it to a byte array, and configure barcode reader options with detailed speed, auto-rotate, and false positive removal. We use task.run for async processing and return the barcode text. The readBarcodes from PDF async method reads multiple barcodes from PDF files. We set expect multiple barcodes to true in our options and process the PDF file path. This returns a list of all detected barcode texts, perfect for batch document processing. Now to our barcode controller. The read from image endpoint accepts file uploads via iForm file. We validate it if the file exists and check if it's an image type. We open a read stream, call our scanner service, and return a JSON response with the barcode, data, file name, file size, and content type. Error handling returns appropriate HTTP status codes. We have additional endpoints, read batch for processing multiple images, read from PDF for PDF files, generate barcode for creating barcode images with customization options, and a health check endpoint for monitoring API status. In program.cs, we add controllers and Swagger generation with API documentation. We configure the app to redirect the root URL to Swagger UI for easy access. The API runs with HTTPS redirection and authorization. So let's run the application now. All right, the API is starting and opening the browser to the Swagger documentation page. And perfect. Here's our Swagger UI showing the barcode API v1. And you can see all our endpoints, read from image, read batch, read from PDF, generate, and health check. And the green post buttons indicate creation endpoints, while the blue get button is for health check. Below, we have schemas showing barcode generation requests, barcode writer encoding, and problem details models. So let me click on the read from image endpoint to expand it. I'll click the try it out button. And now we can see the file upload interface with a choose file button, and the request body shows multi-form data format. So I'll click choose file and select a barcode image. File is now selected, so let me click the execute button to test the API. And perfect. The API was processed successfully. Looking at the server response with code 200, we can see the response body showing the barcode value, the file name, file size of 5,520 bytes, and content type image/JPEG. The curl command shows how to call this API programmatically. The response headers show JSON content types and the timestamp. And that's it, my friends. You successfully built a complete barcode reader SDK in .NET with IronBarcode. This API can read barcodes from images and PDFs, generate barcodes, and process batch operations. It's perfect for building enterprise barcode solutions. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see some more tutorials from us. If you want to get started with IronBarcode, go ahead to our site, sign up for the trial, download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. You're not going to regret it. Click the link below, check it out.